Hi everyone, I'm Alan Cape with Rheem Water Heating. I'm at the International Builder Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's February 1st, 2023. We're here to feature the Rheem ProTerra electric heat pump water heater. This is the most efficient water heater on the market today. It can save consumers $400 to $500 in operating costs over their conventional water heater. And the way a hybrid heat pump water heater works is we're transferring heat that's surrounding in the atmosphere to the water heater system. It's more efficient to transfer heat than to create heat. So let me just go through how that works. We're bringing air through the top of the water heater through an evaporator coil that's collecting that heat out of the air. We superheat it through our compressor system, transfer that heat to our condensing coil that surrounds the tank. It gives off that heat to the tank and the refrigeration cycle continues. So that's how it's much more efficient to heat water than your traditional gas-fired water heater or electric water heater. So as I mentioned before, the most efficient water heater on the market, and also qualifies for the Inflation Reduction Act tax credit. So you can save 30% of your installation costs up to $2,000. So that's a great feature to help reduce that first cost as you're making that water heater purchasing decision.